Thank You next. Hey guys, what's up? Okay, so today I am doing the Thank You Next music video, obviously by Ariana Grande, makeup look recreation. So I am doing the Mean Girl scene where she's in her room, doodling in her burn book. Honestly, I'm more of a Gretchen Wieners than a Regina George, but we'll let it slide. I'm hella fetch, you know? If you want to see how to get this look, it's honestly super neutral. I got to use the Warrior palette from Juvia's place that I know you guys wanted to see me use. I love a good neutral look. So if you want to see how to get this look, go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, so we've got our brows on, and I decided to use a little bit of tape to make the lines really, really clean. I could just clean up with concealer afterwards, but I wanted to stick boob tape on my face and call it a look. We love a multi-talented icon like Ariana Grande and like tape. Like, you can do so many things with it. So I'm gonna take this shade first. I'm gonna pack that kind of like near the brow bone just to brighten things up a little bit. And then I'm just gonna take this shade right here and blend that in the crease. This is honestly about to be the easiest tutorial ever. And I'm cool with that. So I think these will probably work best for the look. Honestly, the shimmer on her lid is so simple. It's just like right in the center. So I'm gonna mix these together and pack them on the lid. So what did we think of the music video, you guys? I'm pretty sure I know that we all loved it. So if you didn't love it, lie to me. If it was up to me, honestly, I would have done the Legally Blonde look because that look was everything. It's not easy to pull off a high ponytail in a wig, so I did what I could do, you know? I'm gonna go in with the dark brown. The liner that she had on there was so smoky in that scene. I'm so glad she looks down so you can see perfectly what's going on. And then going in with the LA Girl gel liner. Gonna darken that up. I love a good smoked out liner because it's so not precise and I don't have to worry about making a mess. And I am just a mess, so that's great. Time for the reveal. Boob tape, I hope you came through. I'm like 99% sure I'm a freaking mess right now, so just ignore that. It all comes together in the end. And for eye number 2, this tape was a lot stickier than I thought, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so I'm gonna have to clean it up anyways. How cute. I'm gonna be using the Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation from NYX. And yes, this shit is the bomb. If you didn't see my last video, go watch it. But also, I found out that this foundation is it. This is what it really looks like when we get ready. Like, people really don't know. When it comes to makeup lovers and makeup wearers, the in-between stages are just hot ass mess. Like, do you see me right now? You guys are probably like, man, she is just a hot ass mess. But I mean, hopefully emphasis on the hot. I'm thinking more of the mess, but you know, that's just me. How my lips actually look without lip liner. This tutorial should really be called the full face of makeup challenge using a tiny ass mirror for the whole look. Mother Nature just hates my ass and she doesn't want me to film a video. She said bring her the clouds. I just offended her because it's getting worse. Hear me. I apologize, Mother Nature. I appreciate you and I love you. And we're just gonna do a light dusting of bougie powder. We don't want to be too crusty. Matte on matte is not it for me. And her lower lash line is very, very simple. Doing the same thing on the bottom as the top. I say this in every video. Nothing too crazy. So I'm gonna contour my jawline a bit because although I'm not really transforming into Ariana Grande, she does have a much more cut jawline than me. I have no jawline, you guys. I don't have any bone structure. I'm surprised I even have a skull in there. I'm shocked. If you ask me, the whole thing is just some skin filled up with jelly underneath. That's what I think. And then I'm gonna go in with the Bronze Babe bronzer from Beach Cosmetics. And this is like my new thing. Like, this is my new girl right here. I love this bronzer so much. I don't know why. It just looks so good and smooth and it's not too orangey. It just has like the perfect tone and it makes you perfectly bronze. It's not shimmery. And I just like it. I love it. I want some more of it. And last but certainly not least, gonna take the Milani Luminoso blush because you can never go wrong with Luminoso blush. As for a highlight, I actually do want to use the middle shimmery shade from the Warrior palette because I just honestly think it looks bomb. I have high hopes for this right now. I knew it. I knew Juvia's place would not let me down. I'm starting to look like a real beauty guru, you guys. Like, somebody hit me up for a brand trip. I'm looking very authentic. So this is the part of the video where I announced that I was actually supposed to be leaving for work right now. And I'm not even ready and I have a full wig on that I'm not gonna wear to work. So there's that, and I will be back in a few hours to finish this off for you guys. Back like I never left, 5 hours later. I did put some mascara on because I wasn't gonna go looking like a naked mole rat to work, so that part's already done, but we do have to put some lashes on. Surprise, surprise, I don't know what lashes they are because I got them on my dresser. And I don't know which ones they are. I'm so sorry. I look like a legit beauty guru right now, but am I? Am I really, if I don't even know what lashes I'm wearing? Debatable. I bought one of these little eyelash tools thinking I was all legit, but I don't like it. I prefer tweezers. the sun is going down, so let's make it quick. In the video, she has like a very orangey nude lip, so I'm gonna go ahead and use Sandstorm. What's new? This is definitely not orangey at all, but I am gonna use it anyways, just to line my lips. And I do not like the way orangey nudes look on myself, but for Ariana, I will do it. I will do it. I'm gonna take the Time Los Angeles liquid lipstick in Peach Mimosa. Oh, okay, that's more than I was expecting. I think that gives it the kind of similar vibe when I mix just a little bit of that with the lip liner. And then because her lips are super, super hella glossy, I'm gonna be taking the Dose of Colors over the top lip gloss. And like, damn, like her lips were hella glossy. Like, I love a glossy lip. You should already know this. You should already know this. I think we are done. Alright, you guys, so that's it for this look. I really hope you enjoyed it. I honestly love doing celebrity recreation, like makeup looks or like music video makeup looks. So let me know down below if there's any other ones that you want to see me do. And I will see you next time. Bye, guys.